All right, so this is the entry foyer, which is very nice and open. I'm not sure if that part is standard or an upgrade. For the promotion, we've got to take a look at standing inventory. I'll go take a look at some of those next, but I think the coffered ceiling might be standard. Overall, a really nice dining room. Or if you didn't want a dining room, of course, you can make that a nice office. Then, very open living space. This is the Bellview floor plan, so it's around 3,000 square feet. Beautiful kitchen. I'll see what the other ones have, but there is an option to have the microwave there and double ovens there. But this is what it's like with just the vent hood, and the vent hood does go outside. You'd have an eating area in the corner. So very open living space, great for entertaining. The thing that I liked the most, wasn't expecting in this floor plan or this home, you don't often get a butler's pantry, a true butler's pantry in homes in this price range. It's normally much more expensive homes that get that. And then we have a really nice pantry. Okay. So tons of storage space in the pantry, walk-in pantry. So there is a bedroom on the main for guests, or again, if you want an office or something. Just a standard bedroom down here. Standard closet. It does have a full bath. And this is also the bathroom your guests would use. This version, I'm pretty sure this is an upgrade with the mudroom area. Let's take a look upstairs. So I'm not sure if hardwoods on the steps is standard or an upgrade. I'll take a look at the others they have. But this is very nice, an upstairs living room. Beautiful. I've seen a lot of people do things. I actually looked at one in my neighborhood, and it's she calls it a she room, something like that. And she's got a little wine bar and a couch and a lounge and everything right outside her master. There are 3 bedrooms total, the master and 2 guests. So the 2 guest bedrooms would share that room, that bathroom. Then you have this beautiful bedroom. It's a standard bedroom, but it's a nice size. Linen closet there. But this bedroom is massive. I'm really glad they made this a 4-bedroom instead of a 5-bedroom home. So everything's not crammed in here. This is a very nice size room. Then the master has double doors leading to it and big enough for a sitting room. You, of course, if you wanted, could put the bed that way and have a sitting room here. But a king size bed fits perfect between those 2 windows there. And with 3 windows total, tons of natural light come in. Double vanities. You have your own linen closet here in the master. Separate sinks. But you do have separate tubs, separate shower. This is a nice size shower. Has the stoop in it as well. And then your water closet is a nice size. So plenty of room. Here's where it gets a little fancy. You have a massive walk-in closet. Tons of room. Of course, you could change the racks and make it a special closet as well, but just on its face, it's a massive closet. And right off of that closet is your laundry room. So your laundry room is right here. It's very nice. And it leads back into a hallway.